Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Animals Around Us. Fill in the blanks. Wild animals live in dash dash and dash. Forests, mountains and deserts. Nocturnal animals are dash during the night. Active. Goat, sheep and chicken give us meat. Honeybees make dash from the nectar of flower. Make honey. An insect has dash legs to walk or crawl. 6 legs. A lizard is not an insect but a reptile. Choose the correct answer. Which one of these is a social insect? Bee, spider, butterfly, mosquito. Bee. How many legs do spider have? 6, 8, 4, 10. 8. Birds eat seeds, worms, small insects, all of this. The kingfisher is a land bird, water bird, land and water bird, none of this. Water bird. Which type of feathers are found on the wings and tail of a bird? Down, flight, body, none of this. Flight. Match the rows. Cows, buffalo, goats. Can be domesticated. Bats, nocturnal animals. Walruses live in cold places. Giraffes, long neck. Cheetah, fastest animal in the world. Write true or false. A deer kills other animals for food. False. A monkey makes a nest to live in. False. Lizards are insects. False. A bird eats with its beak. True. Bees dies after they sting. True. Answer the following questions. Name the different places where wild animals can be found. Wild animals live in forests, mountains and deserts. How are animals like buffalo, goat and cows useful to us? Buffalo, goats and cows useful to us. Buffalo, goats and cows gives milk. What are the different parts of an insect's body? Body is divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. What are the different types of feathers on a bird's body? Birds have three types of feathers on their bodies. Down feathers are light and fluffy. They lie next to the bird's skin and help the birds to keep warm. Second, body feathers cover the bird's body to give it a boat-like shape. Third, flight feathers are found on wings and tail of the bird. They are strong and stiff. They help the birds to fly. Tail feathers helps to change direction while flying. Which bird can copy human sounds? Myna can copy human sounds and repeat whole sentences. Understood? This is about the 7th lesson, animals around us. Tomorrow we will see 8th lesson, we need food. Thank you.